In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swiftly remove those pesky horizontal lines that tend to appear in your Microsoft Word documents, especially when you're copy-pasting text. Whether you're preparing a professional document, writing a school paper, or simply composing a personal note, having unwanted lines can be quite distracting and make your document look less polished than you'd like. Now let's dive right in and tackle this simple yet effective method to improve the appearance of your text. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Word file. This is where you've likely noticed the issue with the horizontal lines appearing alongside your text. Remember, these lines can inadvertently format your document and thwart your attempts at achieving a clean look. Once you have your document open, it's time to zero in on the text that's being affected by these lines. Carefully select the exact portion of text that has this issue. Be as precise as possible to ensure that you only modify the areas you need to. Precision here will help maintain the rest of your document's formatting intact. After selecting the problematic text, you'll need to employ the Cut feature. To do this, simply right-click on the highlighted text and select the Cut option. Cutting your text will temporarily remove it from your document, but don't worry, it's still safely stored in your clipboard, ready for you to paste right back. This step is crucial in breaking any formatting issues that might have attached themselves to your text. Next, you'll want to find an empty spot in your document where you'd like to reinsert your text. Right-click in this spot and you'll be presented with several pasting options. The key here is to select Keep Text Only from the paste options. This choice is essential because it reinserts your text without the additional formatting, including those unwanted horizontal lines that have been frustrating you. By opting for Keep Text Only, your document will retain its simplicity and cleanliness, ditching those extraneous lines in the process. And with that last step, you've successfully removed those nagging horizontal lines. Now your document should look much more organized and professional, free from any unnecessary formatting. It's amazing how such a simple technique can refresh the look of your document, allowing your content to shine through without distractions. Trust me, next time you're working on a document and encounter these lines, you'll be ready to tackle them effortlessly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on perfecting your digital documents. See you in the next video.